Galileo Galilei, 1564–1642, was a pioneering Italian scientist and mathematician whose work laid the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. Born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy, Galileo demonstrated an early aptitude for mathematics and the natural sciences. He enrolled at the University of Pisa to study medicine, but soon shifted his focus to mathematics and physics. In 1589, Galileo became a professor of mathematics at the University of Pisa, where he conducted experiments on falling bodies and formulated the laws of motion. His work challenged the Aristotelian view prevailing at the time, which held that heavier objects fell faster than lighter ones. Galileo's experiments and mathematical analyses supported the concept of uniform acceleration due to gravity. Galileo's observations using a telescope, which he constructed in 1609, marked a significant turning point in the history of astronomy. He discovered the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons, providing evidence that not all celestial bodies orbited the Earth. He also observed the phases of Venus, supporting the heliocentric model proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus, in which the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. In 1610, Galileo published his findings in Sidereus Nuncius, Starry Messenger, gaining widespread acclaim and controversy. His support for the heliocentric model brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church, which adhered to the geocentric model that placed the Earth at the center of the universe. Galileo's work challenged traditional religious beliefs and sparked a theological debate. In 1632, Galileo published Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, which presented a dialogue between characters discussing the heliocentric and geocentric models. The book was perceived as mocking the Pope, and Galileo was summoned to Rome to face the Roman Catholic Inquisition. In 1633, he was found guilty of heresy, forced to recant his heliocentric views, and spent the rest of his life under house arrest. Despite the personal and institutional challenges he faced, Galileo continued his scientific inquiries. In 1638, he published Discourses and Mathematical Demonstrations Relating to Two New Sciences, where he discussed the principles of mechanics and the strength of materials. This work laid the groundwork for the modern science of physics. Galileo Galilei died on January 8, 1642, but his contributions to science endured. His advocacy for the scientific method, empirical observation, and the heliocentric model paved the way for the scientific revolution. Galileo's work laid the foundation for the later achievements of scientists like Isaac Newton and Albert Einstein, and he is remembered as one of the most influential figures in the history of science.